Everybody greetings, welcome to the Eyelashes online channel. Victoria is with you again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video, it will greatly help promoting the channel. Today I want to show you the design of the Fox eye in 2.5D volume. Let's look at the eyes before eyelash extensions. The girl is my first time client. She has been doing eyelashes for some time previously, so she had a certain request for volume, curl, and map. Building the map begins with determining the center of the pupil. It can be marked on the eyelid with a pen when the eye is open and can also be seen when the client is lying down with their eyes closed. The center of the pupil will be the most prominent area on the eyelid. Once I have determined the center of the pupil, I begin to spread the lengths from 6 to 12. On the inner part of the eye to the center we will have from 6 to 8 lengths. On the outer part of the eye from the center will be lengths from 9 to 12. The girl has come with false eyelashes. The first step will be to remove these ones. I always perform it with a cream remover. After I have completely taken the remover residue from the eyes and wiped dry the eyelashes with cotton swabs, I always tell the client to rinse her eyes thoroughly with a wash foam. When I start sticking the patch, I pay attention to the structure of the lashes. Already at this stage you can understand whether the extension will be difficult or on the contrary easy. The girl's eyelashes grow at a good distance from each other. You can also see that there are not so many fluffy eyelashes, which means that the process of building up will not be difficult. In the center of the eye there are a few eyelashes that are in the growth phase. They are easy to spot, as they are much shorter compared to most of the eyelashes. Usually, the eyelashes do not fall out on their own. Most likely the girl rubbed her eye and could tear out a few artificial eyelashes along with the native eyelashes. I always try to warn the client that there are lashes in the growth phase and they will come out very quickly. After I have done the isolating of the lower lashes, let's move on to reviewing the pattern. When I work, I usually don't draw the map on a patch, so I made a map for you in the editor. The blue line is the center of the pupil. As you can see, it is moved from the center of the eye a little closer to the nose. From it I spread the lengths on the inside and outside of the eye. Please write in the comments whether it is necessary to draw a map for you, so that you can see in which places and what lengths I add. I decided to tighten the inner corner a bit with a silicone patch to get better vision of the base of the lashes. If you do an eyelid lift, don't forget to check if your eye is open. After degreasing and brushing the eyelashes, I proceed to the extension. The girl had previously done a volume of 2.5D and we decided to leave the same volume, as there are no problems with the density of eyelashes. I will simply alternate 2D and 3D fans, but if the client's eyelashes grow unevenly, somewhere less often and somewhere thicker, then in the area of rare eyelashes I will do fans 3D, and where the eyelashes grow a lot, I will do fans 2D. But be sure to check the evenness of the density of the built-up eyelashes with the help of a mirror with clients like these, so that it won't turn out that in some areas you have more volume, and in some areas less. Look at the order I extend the eyelashes. Usually I glue a few eyelashes of one side, then a few eyelashes of the other. Sometimes I can do one lash on each side. It all depends on how comfortable the lashes are in the corners. In the center, usually the eyelashes grow easily, so in this area I can build up 5 lashes on one side and 5 lashes on the other side. This way of extension gives more time for the glue to dry, and at the end, when I go through checkup, I have almost no sticks. Also, with this method you get the right direction. Today, I rarely do volume extensions, as most of my clients like natural extensions, and some of them have switched to lash lamination. Although about 5 years ago it was difficult to persuade girls to classic or 1.5D, but there are girls who really suits bright and spectacular and build up eyelashes, and of course there is no sense to persuade them to move to a smaller volume. But I still prefer smaller volumes. That's probably one of the reasons why clients come to me more often for natural extensions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, ask your questions and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.